as it is review session, only practical session. This question also I have said to you, and we'll be discussing. It will be open for discussion. Whatever doubt, again, it is for, you can tell non-commerce. Again, it is not any commerce session only. It is not only commerce related things, or anyone can do it, but still for beginners, you can tell. This session is for beginners. Okay. So I think some of you might have done this question also, might have also attempted these questions. Okay, those who have attempted, some of you might also have sent the answer to me, but I have not replied, thinking that today we will be discussing on those points. Okay. You see one example. This is our one of in ICAR Institute it has happened. On live case also you can tell. Date of birth of the government servant is 11th September 1961. Date of appointment into ICAR service 20th June 1982. Date from which the service counted in ICAR 20th June 1982. Date of retirement 30th September 2021. Okay. As the date of birth, you see first the date of birth. Here the date of birth is 11 September 1961. So as it is 11 September 1961, so obviously you add 60 to 61. As it is a technical officer, in case of technical officer, you add to 60 to 61. It will be 21. That means, again, the date of birth is not falling on the first day of the month. It is not falling. Afterwards, means it is on 11th. So certainly that government servant will be superannuating from service on 30th September 2021. Okay. Then you see here the date of death of the pensioner, means after retirement of the government servant, that particular government servant expired on 31st December 2021, means after retirement. After retirement only he has expired. That means if after retirement he has expired, anyone can tell while finalizing the pension paper, while finalizing the pensionary benefit, whether that particular government servant will be receiving CVP, committed value of pension, or not? I think you are allowed to tell, na? You can tell, na? Whether
yes. The CVP is allowed.
Yeah. Pardon?
Yes, allowed, sir.
Allowed. Sir. Just again here.
CVP is allowed.
For the information of all, just I want to tell you that if the death happens after the date of retirement, in that case, that government servant will be getting CVP. Okay. But if the death happens within the date of retirement, before retirement, if before retirement government servant dies, then the family of the government servant will not be receiving CVP, committed value of pension. That is one point you have to remember this. Okay. Then date of relief, at the time of date of relief means date of your rate of relief, or rate of DA rate you can tell 31% at that time, and the last paid run was on 31st September was 55,200. Okay. So we have to calculate all these things. First is date of commencement of the pension. To tell what is the date of commencement of the pension? Anyone?
1st October. 1st October 2021.
Yeah. 1st October is the date of commencement of the pension, immediately after the date of retirement. That's fine. So date of commencement of pension is 1st October 2021. Then you come, what is the pension admissible? You think that this, as nothing has been given in the questions, so 55,200 is the pay which is beneficial to the government servant. Because why? Now, your last 10-month pay is not given. Nothing has been mentioned regarding average emoluments. So we can treat it that 55,200 was the pay which was beneficial to the government servant. On this basis, now you calculate what is the pension admissible. What will be the pension admissible? First,
3% plus DR.
percent plus DR.
27,600.
yeah, absolutely correct. 27,600 plus DR plus 31 percentage. Okay, 31 percentage on
31% on 26,600.
27,600. 31 percentage. You others, you please very carefully listen and understand also. Pension is 55,200 by 2 divided by 50% of the pay. It is 27,600 plus DR. DR on the DA rate was 31 percentage. That is like 31 percentage on 27,600. Achha. This thing is before commutation I am taking. This is before commutation. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again here, just assume he has commuted 40 percentage. He has commuted 40 percentage. So in that case, what will be the pension after commutation? Monthly pension.
16,560.
You tell how it has come. Means you tell how it has come.
Sir, 40% has to be
40%.
removed from the basic pension, sir.
Yeah.
50% is of
Basic.
Okay. Then how much pension after commutation monthly pension will be?
36,000.
Before it was 27,600 before commutation. 27,600 plus 31 percentage on 27,600. It is clear to all. Okay. Then
sir.
commit. You have to commit 40 percentage. Okay. Tell.
Yes, sir.
40 percentage of what you have to commit?
The 27,600.
Yeah. 40 percentage of 27,600 has to be commuted. That means he will be getting 27,600 into, you can tell 60 percentage. Means as 40 roughly you can tell 27,600 into 60 percentage. How it comes?
21,694 rupees. 95.
How much?
21,695 rupees.
नहीं कैसे होगा?
Sir, 25,000.
16,560, sir.
या आप कैसे कैलकुलेट किए? 21,000 कैसे होगा? 27,600 का ऊपर 40% प्रॉफिट होगा. मीन्स 40% वो जैसे लोन बेच के लोन लेंगे तो दैट इज 27,000 का माइनस 40% ऑफ 27,000. अदरवाइज 27,600 का 60% कितना है? तो 60% आई थिंक इट इज 15,600. यस और नो?
16,560.
16,560, sir.
या मैं कैलकुलेट नहीं किया, ऐसे बता रहा हूँ. जो भी फिगर है तो उनको मंथली पेंशन जो मिलेगा, दिस अमाउंट प्लस 31% ऑफ डीए ऑन
27,600, sir.
Yeah. It is the technical point. You please try to understand others. After commutation, that government servant will be receiving monthly pension of, if he has commuted 40%, 27,600. He has commuted 40 means 60. What is the 60% of 27,600? Whatever it comes, plus 30% of DA on 27,600. That is the monthly pension that government servant will be receiving. Okay. Then what will be the commuted value of pension? He will be getting one lump sum amount. That is the CBP. Now you first come to gratuity. Gratuity, how much gratuity it will be? You calculate gratuity how much? You just by using calculator, sorry, your mobile, you calculate how much gratuity. Yeah, in your exam, here that is also not allowed with a mobile. So you have to use your pen paper.
Sir, 12,48,162, sir.
Okay, I do not know answer. I will see. You just write 12
48,162, sir.
others. It is okay.
Sir, sir, 79 into 1/4 into DA, sir. Basic plus DA, sir.
Basic plus DA
Into
then
79 into
then
1/4, sir.
then you take the length of service. Okay.
Sir, 79 emoluments have taken, sir.
Okay, that whatever figure you have derived, you just write it down. Others, anyone? What is the gratuity?
93,148.
Madam, what is the gratuity?
Sir, 11,93,148.
सही है सर ये 11,93,148.
सर यही ठीक है 11,93,148.
ठीक है 1193
हाँ सर 11,93,148.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो फिर इसका आप ये बताइए, आप कैलकुलेट कैसे किए, बाकी लोगों को समझाइए. मुझे नहीं, मुझे तो पता है, बाकी लोगों को समझाइए कैसे कैलकुलेट किए. कोई क्लियरली बोलिए.
So basic pay is 55,200. We must add the 31% to that. Uska he has more than 39 years. He has almost 39 years. So we'll take 66.
Others, please keep. आप डिस्टर्ब करने से कैसे होगा?
Hello, sir.
Okay, हाँ, और एक बार बोलिए. 55,200 बोलिए.
Plus we'll take 31% of that the 55,200. We'll add the DA.
Okay.
Then we'll take he has more than 33 years of service. So we'll limit it to 66 6-monthly period. So into 66 divided by 4.
Okay. Why it will be limited to 66? You tell.
The gratuity we have to limit the qualifying service to 66 6-monthly period.
That is the maximum. Okay.
That's the maximum.
That is the maximum. So it is clear to all. Yeah. If it is not clear, we will once again go. It is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Others can ask. If it is not clear, once again we'll discuss.
Clear, sir.
Clear to all. It is clear to all. Otherwise, anyone can raise your hand if it is not clear. Okay. So that is gratuity. Then CBP. Come to CBP. How it is calculated? Tell CBP.
We'll take the commuted value of pension, that is a 40% of 27,600 into 12 into the factor, that is 8.194.
What is the factor?
8.194 for 60 years.
Yeah. 61 years.
61 years.
61 years, because he is retiring in the age of 60, the next birthday factor. Okay. And that commutation factor, if such type of question will be there, maybe that commutation factor table they may give. Otherwise, you can remember what is the commutation factor for scientific staff at the age of 63 years, and for your administrative and technical also at the age of 61. Two factors. One is 8.194. Other one is for scientists. How it is? How much it is for scientists?
7.982.
But that you have to remember. These two factors you have to remember if at all question comes. Okay. Then what is the total gratuity CBP amount you got?
10,85,542.
What is, madam?
So 10,85,541.
542.
542. Actually, it has to
10,85,541.
542. We have to round it off.
Okay.
Up to 542.
We will round it to the next higher rupee. So 542.
Yeah. Then residual pension after commutation, that we have discussed. Residual means unka pension monthly 27,600 जो था, and he has commuted 40%. So whatever 15,000 something you told, that amount you will be getting. Okay. That is the residual pension. Now you see total initial pension to be drawn including DR after commutation. If the pensioner dies on 31st December 2021, तो फैमिली पेंशन कैसे होगा? अगर आप सुनिए, मैं आपको बोला था भी पहले, एनहांस फैमिली पेंशन कैसे होता है? ये फॉर अदर्स, फॉर ऑल आई एम टेलिंग अगेन वंस अगेन, अगर ड्यूरिंग सर्विस इफ द गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट डाइज ड्यूरिंग सर्विस मींस बिफोर सुपरएनुएशन, then the family member of the government servant will be getting family pension at enhanced rate, that is 50% of the basic pay for a period of 10 years from the date of death. Okay, for the period of 10 years. If the government servant dies before retirement, that is the enhanced pension, enhanced family pension. Enhanced means at the rate of 50%, ordinary means at the rate of 30%. Okay, 30% again you can tell how it has come 30. If means after commutation, if you see now, after commutation is 60%. If you commute 40, after commutation is 60, half of that generally. It is treated in that way, 30%. Means ordinary is 30, enhanced is 50%. If the government servant dies within service, if the government servant dies after retirement, the enhanced pension of 50% at the rate is payable up to the age of 67 years of age had the pensioner been survived. कब तक एनहांस पेंशन मिलेगा ना? जब तक पेंशनर को 67 इयर्स होता, अगर वो जिंदा रहते तो तब तक वो दिया जाएगा. इसीलिए डेट वो हिसाब से आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए मुझे आप पहले फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द अमाउंट ऑफ बेसिक फैमिली पेंशन एट एनहांस रेट. तो एनहांस रेट में बेसिक कितना होगा? डीआर छोड़ के एनहांस रेट में बेसिक पेंशन कितना हो रहा है?
27,600.
Okay, enhanced rate means 50%, so that is why 27,600. Then the date up to which enhanced family pension is payable. ये enhanced जो रेट में फैमिली पेंशन कब तक मिलेगा उनको? कब तक? वो कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपको सोचना पड़ेगा इनका डेथ कब हुआ है. तो डेथ हुआ है आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट. अगर डेथ आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट हुआ है तो पेंशनर का एज 67 इयर्स तक उनको मिलेगा. जब 67 इयर्स हो जाएगा ऑर्डिनरी मिलेगा. आफ्टर 67 अप टू 67 मिलेगा एनहांस. अगर आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट हो रहा है, ड्यूरिंग सर्विस अगर हो रहा है डेथ, अप टू 10 इयर्स फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ डेथ एनहांस रेट मिलेगा. अभी बोलिए द डेट अप टू व्हिच एनहांस फैमिली पेंशन इज पेएबल. कौन सा?
September 2028.
September 2028.
10th September 2028.
Yeah, 10 September 28. Okay. Then the amount of basic family pension at normal rate means 7 years हो गया, normal rate में कितना हो जाएगा?
16,560.
Okay. Then the date from which family pension on normal rate is payable?
11th
11
2028.
September 2028.
Okay. Next slide. You see here, this again, it is the answer to your question. This thing I have written once again, like this. Last bit done. This way, the next. You see, whatever you have told, only these things. You have verified this. Pension admissible this date. Pension admissible date is commencement of pension 1st October. Pension admissible 27,600. Gratuity authorized 1193,148. CBP 1085,542. So everyone has calculated 1085,542, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The residual pension after commutation 16,560. Then total initial pension to be drawn including DR after commutation 16,560 plus 30% on 27,600. That is a technical point. That is every time I am giving stress on that. Okay. Then if the pensioner dies on 31 December 2021, the family pension payable, it is the amount of basic family pension at enhanced rate means 50% of that 27,600. The date up to which enhanced family pension is payable 10 September 2028 because his date of birth was 11 September. 11 September means 11 September 28 में वो 67 क्रॉस हो जाएगा, क्रॉस करेंगे, इसलिए अप टू 67 उनको मिलेगा. The amount of basic family pension at normal rate 16,560. 33% of 55,200 otherwise also. Then date from which family pension is normal rate payable 11 September 2028. The last pay done is beneficial, then average emoluments. So one note I have given in the question. It is the next question. Okay. So next question is, you see, date of birth of the pensioner is 10th April 1970. Okay. Date of appointment or joining 9th May 1994. Then date from which services counted in ICAR 9th May 1994. Date of death 14th September 2022. Last pay done 58,600. DR या DA जो भी था 38%. इनका देखिए डेट ऑफ बर्थ हो रहा है 70, तो इनका रिटायरमेंट कब आ रहा है? रिटायरमेंट 30 अप्रैल 30th अप्रैल 2030 इनका रिटायरमेंट होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट का डेथ हो गया 14 सितंबर 2022 में. अगर डेथ हो गया तो वो केस में हमको ओनली, बस आप सारे कैलकुलेशन सेम है, लेकिन डेथ का केस में ये ड्यूरिंग सर्विस डेथ हुआ तो समथिंग डिफरेंट. सो दैट इज व्हाई ये मैं आपके सामने जो पेंशन नहीं करते, जो लोग पेंशन उनका सेक्शन में इंस्टीट्यूट में डील नहीं करते, मैं उनको अभी आंसर पूछ रहा हूं. बाकी लोग जो जानते हैं थोड़ा चुप रहिएगा. ओके. जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जवाब दिए आप चुप रहिए, अदर्स लेट देम टेल. ओके. अगर वो बोल नहीं पाएंगे तो आप बोलिएगा. डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ पेंशन कब होगा? जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जवाब दिया आप लोग चुप रहिए.
15 सितंबर 2022 सर.
आप फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जवाब नहीं दिए थे?
नहीं सर.
ओके ठीक है. फिर आप कौन सा इंस्टीट्यूट से?
ICAR-NIASM बेंगलोर से.
तो पेंशन आप नहीं करते आपका सेक्शन में?
नहीं सर, प्रोक्योरमेंट में काम करते.
ओके गुड. देन आप सब आंसर दे सकते हैं. बोलिए नेक्स्ट. डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ पेंशन गया. पेंशन वहां पेंशन एडमिशन अमाउंट कितना है?
29,300.
29,300. कैसे? 50%. ओके. 29,300. ओके. फिर बाद में एनहांस रेट नॉर्मल रेट बाद में आएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. देन पेंशन ग्रेचुटी कितना होगा? इसमें जो ग्रेचुटी देंगे, एक ग्रेचुटी को क्या बोलेंगे हम?
डेथ ग्रेजुटी.
इसको डेथ ग्रेचुटी बोलेंगे. अच्छा, तो कितना अमाउंट होगा? बोलिए अगेन बैंगलोर, आप ही बोलिए.
सर ग्रेजुटी 11,52,369.
अब और कोई एक बोलिए. इनका तो आंसर हो गया, और कोई बोलिए.
20 lakhs.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली 20 लाख कैसे ग्रेचुटी कैलकुलेशन हुआ आपका?
ना सर 23,04,000.
अच्छा 20 इट इज मोर. कितना हुआ? 23
23,04,731. Yeah, it is limited to 20 lakhs.
जो 11 लाख भाई बस जो बोले ना, आप और एक बार चेक कीजिए 11 लाख कैसे आया फिर?
हाँ सर मैं चेक करता हूँ.
तो वो डबल आएगा ना.
मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि यहाँ जितने भी अटेंड कर रहे हैं सबको जानकारी होना चाहिए. ओके. तो अगर आप चुप बैठेंगे तो चुप रह जाएंगे. फिर अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो पूछिए. ऑब्जेक्टिव जिसको नहीं पता है उसको बताना है, जिसको पता है तो पता है, जिसको नहीं पता है उसको मुझे बताना ऑब्जेक्टिव है. तो इसलिए अगर जो लोग नहीं जानते चुप मत रहिए प्लीज. उसमें कुछ ऐसे आपको शर्म आने का कुछ बात नहीं है. ऐसा दुनिया में सारे काम सबको नहीं जानकारी नहीं होता है. मुझे भी बहुत सारे फील्ड में मैं नहीं काम किया हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता है. उसका मीनिंग नहीं है कि सारे कुछ एवरी फील्ड में एक्सपर्ट होंगे. ओके. जो नहीं भी जानते पूछिए, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। हाँ, तो अभी आप ग्रेचुटी एग्जैक्टली कितना फिगर बोलिए, कितना हुआ जो कैलकुलेशन में आया आपका?
23,04,731.
ओके, इतना आया, लेकिन ग्रेचुटी मैक्सिमम पेबल है 20 लाख, तो उसको हम 20 लाख ही देंगे। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
यस। सीबीपी कितना मिलेगा?
Zero.
सर नहीं मिलेगा,
सीबीपी जीरो मिलेगा, सीबीपी नहीं मिलेगा।
मिलेगा सर।
क्यों सीबीपी नहीं मिलेगा? क्योंकि
क्योंकि
उनका
उसकी डेथ पहले
डेथ
हो गई,
या डेथ हुआ है,
रिटायरमेंट से पहले हो गया।
रिटायरमेंट से पहले हो गया, तो इसलिए उनको सीबीपी नहीं मिलेगा। ओके, अगर सीबीपी जब नहीं मिलेगा तो जो वो पॉइंट में लिखा है रेसिप्यूशल पेंशन आफ्टर कम्यूटेशन, वो तो कमिट का बात नहीं है। यस और नो? कम्यूटेशन तो हुआ नहीं इधर ना।
Yes, sir.
या तो अगर इफ देयर इज नो कम्यूटेशन, देन द क्वेश्चन ऑफ रेसिप्यूशल पेंशन आफ्टर कम्यूटेशन डज नॉट अराइज। ओके, then total initial pension to be drawn including DR after commutation, ये तो commutation नहीं है, still पेंशन अभी कितना होगा इनका प्लस डीआर पेंशन कितना, डीआर कितना, और एक बार बोल दीजिए मंथली पेंशन।
29,300 plus DR.
ओके, और एक बार ये नीचे द अमाउंट ऑफ बेसिक फैमिली पेंशन एट एनहांस रेट, एनहांस रेट में उनका बेसिक पेंशन कितना होगा? बेसिक
29,300.
50% ऑफ द लास्ट पे। ओके, बेसिक। तो ये जो एनहांस रेट, द डेट अप टू व्हिच एनहांस फैमिली पेंशन इज पेबल, इनको कब तक मिलेगा?
13 September 2032.
कब तक?
13 September 2032.
बाकी लोग बोलिए।
14 September.
14 September 2032
14 September.
enhanced family pension मिल सकते हैं सर।
ठीक है, कोई एक कंफर्म करके बोलिए कि हाँ सर यही कंफर्म है, बोलिए।
सर 13/9/2032 ही सही है।
ओके, चलिए 10 ईयर्स आप बता रहे हो। ओके, क्योंकि
Yes, sir.
ड्यूरिंग द गवर्नमेंट सर्विस डेथ हुआ है। देन द अमाउंट ऑफ बेसिक फैमिली पेंशन एट नॉर्मल रेट, जो 10 साल का बाद नॉर्मल रेट में कितना मिलेगा इनको?
17,580.
17,000।
580.
ये ठीक बोल रहे हैं? बाकी लोग ठीक बोल रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
यस।
Yes, sir.
तो देन कब से पेबल होगा नॉर्मली, नॉर्मल रेट में?
14/9/2032।
ओके, ठीक है, अभी आंसर देख लेते हैं। नेक्स्ट, अभी आंसर देखिए। ये है इनका, जैसे हम बात किए, इसको और एक बार लिखा गया है। नेक्स्ट ये सारे बात हम किए, उसका ग्रेचुटी ही आ रहा है 23,04,738। इट हैज बीन रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 20 lakh। सीबीपी नील, रेसिड्यूशल पेंशन आफ्टर कम्यूटेशन 0। This will, in this way, the family of the government servant will be getting pension. This is the family pension at enhanced rate. Enhanced means 50% of the last pay, 29,300. Okay. The date up to which enhanced family pension is payable, it is this 14 September. Then amount of basic family pension at normal rate. Normal rate means you can your basic rate, last basic into 30% भी यही आएगा 17,580. Okay. The date from which family pension at normal rate is payable. ये तो ये आपका आज के लिए इतना ही था, क्योंकि आपका सारे कैलकुलेशन मैं पहले ही बता चुका था। ओके, आज